Good morning everyone. Myself Shifa Sumrani from class 11th A from Jaffrey and Fatima English School. Legacy of intellectuals, Your Excellency, my teachers and my mates. How different is this morning? Any one of you guess? You will yourself discover as the colors of the occasion reminds us of a very special day, that is the Independence Day. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in free India. Hence, we celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. Before 1947, Indians were enslaved under the colonial rule. Those days, it was the most difficult task to fight against those powerful giants, the Britishers. Hence, every Independence Day, we do not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to those who fought for the freedom of nation and to those who sacrificed their lives for it. On this occasion, our thoughts first turn to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind these all struggles, and then the martyrs who did their supreme sacrifices for the country's liberty. We also remember the relentless struggle of our great patriots who liberated India from the British rule. An Indian officer, Mangal Pandey, from the British force was the first one who opposed the Britishers and demanded the nation's independence. We can never forget the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who sacrificed their lives in such an early age just for the independence of nation. This day holds great significance as we honor the courage and sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first one to be chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. And then he unfurled the tricolour flag at the Red Fort in the national capital Delhi for the first time. The pain that our national heroes have gone through reminds us that the freedom we are enjoying today has been earned by shedding the blood of lakhs of people. Now, I would like to present a poem by Abdul Kalam which addresses the youth and its responsibilities. As a young citizen of India, armed with technology, knowledge and love for my nation, I realize that small aim is a crime. I will work and sweat for a great vision, the vision of transforming India into a developed nation. I am one of the billion citizens of India. Only the vision will ignite the billion souls it has entered into me. I will keep the lamp of knowledge burning and will achieve the vision, that is the developed India. Let us remember those who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country and those who continue to protect it. Let's cherish the unity in diversity and work together to make our country even stronger. And as we celebrate today, let us promise to uphold the values of peace, equality and progress. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.